It's today Wednesday. I really thought it was Tuesday.
It's been a very quick week though.
Yeah. Good morning, good morning. I just want to say good morning to everyone and thank you everyone that's driving by hooting just to say good morning, because I can obviously see everyone from the or goodbye or goodbye, whichever way it is. You can watch this on the live stream on Facebook and on Instagram. On our Facebook and our Instagram, we are live streaming this. Whew, I'm nervous. All right, today we are going to put a light bulb inside our microwave. Remember, we've got our Hisense microwave. Let me just check the wattage quickly for you once again. It is a 700 watt microwave, okay? So not one of the big ones, but it's a nice one. And we are going to put it is a 42 watt eco halogen light bulb that is going inside. Yes, so we've said that you have said that you are confident this is going to go kaboom. I think that the light bulb is actually going to light up because that makes sense to me because the microwaves are going to give it the power. My science isn't very strong, so I don't know. But we'll see what happens. Whoever's closest to the kaboom, in this case, will win themselves those tickets. I am. I'm a little bit scared. Obviously, I'm going to try step away from the microwave as quickly as possible because I don't know what's going to happen. I have to say it's quite difficult to handle the light bulb you'll see with these big red gloves, the safety gloves, because I'm trying to not squish it. Are you ready? Can I put it inside the microwave? Oh, yes. I'm like, this is what's going to happen. This is what it looks like. There you can see everyone on the live stream. Whew. Okay, ready. Oh, I see there's still some of yesterday's toothpaste left inside the microwave. Let me just take it out. Hold on, there we go. We don't want to contaminate our experiments, as they would say. Okay, here we go. I'm putting it in softly. Yes. Okay, all right, there it is. Oh, I'm just waiting for it to steady. The bulb is in the microwave. You can see it on the live stream there. Okay, I'm closing the door. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Alex, count me down on the timer. I'm just going to turn the knob and step away. Okay, there we go. It's on, nothing's happening. Oh, there we go, there's a light flickering. The light bulb has sort of come on. Sparks happening at the moment, lots of big sparks happening. It seems there's a flame inside the bulb at the moment. You'll see it on the live stream. Wow, it's a proper flame inside the bulb. It hasn't exploded yet. I was correct. The microwave seems to be making the light come on. Now it's like different areas lighting up. It's almost like a Christmas show happening inside the microwave. Yeah, bright colors, blue, there's like a yellow, red, 30 seconds already. Nothing is happening. It's just like the big bulb is just full of the gas. I think it's the gas inside the bulb that's busy lighting up. It's still running, the globe seems to be intact. There isn't a problem yet with the globe itself. It is still intact. I'm trying to see. It does. It's like a Christmas tree lighting up. That doesn't mean you should do this at home. Never do this at home. I can hear a sound from the microwave. It's going poof, 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 sort of as the light flickers. There's a big flicker happening at the moment. The light has died. Oh, there, it's full of light again, the bulb. Seems like the gases are igniting inside the bulb itself. It does still seem intact. Oh, the bulb is cracked. I can see there's a little crack. Oh, it has popped. The bulb has popped, guys. Okay, hold on a second. Stop. Let me just see. Yes, okay. All right, I see what's happened. So actually, what has happened is that the globe has melted away. So a piece of the globe, let me try to take it out with my safety gloves here. Hold on a second. All right, so what's happened is I'm going to show you on the live stream a piece of the side of the globe. Yes, the thing is very, very hot. A side of the globe has actually, oh, God, it's very hot. Hold on a second. Hold on. Okay, there we go. A side of the globe has actually melted away. Can you see that? I can't hold it for very long. It's very hot. Very hot. Ow. Okay. Whew. Okay. Can you see on the live stream? So there's a big hole in the globe. So it technically didn't explode, but it did melt away. So there we go, Microwave Olympics. We put the globe in there. It didn't explode, it did melt. So I'm thinking if we had to put a different globe in, maybe it would pop. But you did see it, like colors everywhere, and we ended on, what was it, 1 minute 18 seconds. 1 minute 18 seconds. We opened the microwave, stopped the whole experiment, and that's where we are for the Microwave Olympics.